In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Revolut Invest. To do this, go and open up the Revolut app and head over to Invest in the bottom. Now from there, in order to withdraw money from it, you will need to first sell a position. So for example, Vanguard S&P 500 right here. First, I would need to sell it, and then it will become available as euro or dollar. And what you can then do is click on the withdraw button. Then select whether it's in your brokerage account or robo-advisor. For me, it's in my brokerage account. Then here at the top, you can see how much is available. So for me, €5. So I'll do €5. Then click withdraw. Once you click withdraw, it will be taken from your invest account and put back into the home balance right here. So you can see the €5 has now gone from stocks to personal. So that's how you can withdraw money from your Revolut Invest. So again, you will need to first sell the position and then you can withdraw it into your personal account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.